Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And welcome to another haul video. So in this haul, you're gonna see some amazing winter wear from Savannah. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now starting with our first item. Ta-da! Guys, so this is the first pullover, neat pullover that I have with me. I don't have anything in this color, so I have decided to go with this one. And this, pullover is giving me more of a baseball kind of vibe, like, sporty vibe, I can say. And it is written here as it is supposed to written here as D, but it is written here as R. So anyway, guys, that's the thing. It has this V-neck and it is a stretchable one, and it has this full sleeves, and sleeves के आगे भी आपको दिख सकते हो कि there they have given the stripe, like ऐसा वाला थोड़ा सा मतलब ऐसा स्पॉटी वाला, मुझे ऐसा वाला वाइब दे रहा है, ये वाला बेसबॉल like basketball kind of vibe. And yes guys, that's the thing. And it has this V-neck to it, and it is a polyester material, and ये oversize है. So if you're a person who like oversize, I think you can style this in multiple ways. So yeah, this is the first item that I have with me. Its original price is 1060 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 926 rupees, and I think in 926 this is a good deal. Okay, so now next I have with me here is this cardigan, this bow cardigan. You can see that, and as we all know that bow is on trend, and maroon is the color of the season, cherry red, whatever you want to call the color as. So yes guys, this is it, and yeah, this is the one that I have with me. It's very cute. It has this cute bow in it, you can see that, and it has this button closer, and I love when this kind of cardigan have this full length to its collar. Like मुझे ना हाई नेक पहनने का और टर्टल नेक पहनने का कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ता है if the collar is like this, and it has this full sleeves, and ऐसा वाला cute. जब मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ तभी ये लोगों को कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. एनीवे, सो ये वाला दिया हुआ है क्यूट वाला डिजाइन एट द एंड ऑफ द स्लीव्स. यू कैन सी दैट बोथ स्लीव्स में ऐसा दिया हुआ है, एंड दिस इज द क्यूट सी थिंग दैट यू कैन सी. दिस वेरी क्यूट, एंड आई एम इन साइज स्मॉल, एंड आई थिंक different colors are also available. Okay, so yeah, this is the second item, and it is a polyester material, and it is like really warm. Okay, it's really warm. Its original price was 1290 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 1090, and I think in 1090 it is a cute deal. Okay, so now moving towards another one. This has to be my favorite because it's so cute, and you can see that I'm a little bit obsessed with pink these days. Anyway, so this is the another one that I have with me. Wait, this is the another one. It is so cute, and the best part is that, guys, it is so warm. You can see that it's looking so cute on me. So yes guys, this is the third one that I have with me, and it is a polyester material, and it is super stretchable. You can see that, and the best part is that I love its button. You can see that it has this little heart to it. Oh my god, so cute. Detailing is perfect, guys. And again, I love this collar because like itna warm lagta hai na aapko, that like you don't need to wear any this kind of turtleneck from inside. Like just wear one top and then just wear this one. You are good to go. It will keep you so warm, guys. So warm. And it is, I'm in size small. You can see that it is so cute, and it has this collar block design to it. Absolutely love the design, love the color, love the texture, love the material, love the fit. Absolutely love it. If you are planning to go for this one, just go for it. It is highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended. And yes guys, its original price is 990, and I think in 990 it is a steal deal. Highly recommended. 10 out of 10. Okay, so if you guys know me, like I can't go without turtlenecks, or like this high neck. Without high neck, especially during winters, I need all these things, and for that wait, अभी हेलीकॉप्टर को भी इसी टाइम आना था यार. So yes guys, the item that I'm talking about is this simple pullover right here. You can see that मेरा ना पूरा ऐसा वाला bubbles भी आ गया है, because not bubbles, I can say बाहर से ना कुछ लग गया इधर. बबल्स भी थोड़ा बहुत आ रहा है, बट दिस इज परफेक्ट गाइज. ये इतना ज़्यादा थिक भी नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा थिन भी नहीं है. इट विल कीप यू वार्म. It has this ripped kind of material going on, and it will make you look elegant at the same time. And ये जिसके साथ भी जाएगा. Okay, जिसके साथ भी जाएगा. इतना ज़्यादा मोटा भी नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा पतला भी नहीं. That's my point. And it is stretchable. It is a slim fit pullover, that's इसीलिए इतना अच्छा है guys. And then इसका full sleeves भी, you can see that इतना अच्छा है guys. You need to have these if you are a type person who can't go without high neck or turtleneck, and at the same time you don't want to look bulky. So yeah, you need to go with this one because it is absolutely lovely guys. So मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा कि guys मैंने brown में भी order कर लिया. You can see that. Can you? So I just absolutely love these products. I highly recommend it. I think दूसरा other colors are also available. You can go for other colors as well. But मुझे ये दोनों इतना अच्छा से fit होता है. This is my almost everyday wear. So yes guys, that's the update, and it is a polyester material, and for this it just cost me $7.90. For each it cost me $7.90. okay, for not both, for each it cost me $7.90. This is the another item which needs to be in your wardrobe this winter. Okay, so yeah, this is the another items. Okay, so now moving towards our jacket section now. Abhi thoda cardigan or sweater ho gaya. So the another item that I have with me is this leather jacket. Guys, I will not say that it will keep you warm, but I can obviously say that it will make you look stylish. Okay, इतना ज़्यादा ये ना proper winter के लिए नहीं है. I think it will be more proper for Bombay weather or maybe पूरा plain area के लिए ना ये perfect है. But इधर आपको ये थोड़ा अभी you can use this. Either you have to wear so warm like high neck or sweaters from inside, then only you can wear this from outside. इधर hilly region के लिए this is not appropriate, but style के लिए it's okay. Okay, so that's the thing. And then this is the oversized or relaxed fit jacket, and it has this long sleeve, regular sleeves going on, but I like the shape of this one. Okay, इसका shape बहुत ऐसा वाला cool vibes देता है आपको. Okay, so it has this chain closer to it, and then you can see that it is not that warm, and pocket तो है, थोड़ा pocket तो है, you can see that. And yeah, quality अच्छा है दिखने में, but विंटर के लिए if you are planning to get this one, I will not recommend this one, but थोड़ा स्टाइल के लिए और if you belong from थोड़ा plain area, then you can go for it. Okay, दिल्ली बॉम्बे वेदर के लिए, दिल्ली का भी I cannot say, but बॉम्बे का वेदर इधर ना plain area जयपुर ऐसा के लिए अच्छा है. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. आसाम के लिए भी I think this is pretty good. Okay, so yeah, this is the another one that I have with, and I'm in size small. Okay, ये मेरा small size का है, and its original price is 2,290 rupees, but I got this one in 1,990 rupees. I know थोड़ा expensive है, but it is stylish and I can style this in multiple ways, not just in winter, spring, autumn के लिए भी ये अच्छा है. Okay, so yeah, this is the another one that I have with me. Okay, so now coming towards our proper winter coat or jacket. So the item that I'm about to show is like perfect for the winter. So the item that I'm talking about is this fox leather coat right here, guys. This item is top notch. Like it will make you warm like so good. ये आपको ये पहनना पड़ेगा और आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए गाइस, जिंदगी में आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा सा क्रॉप टॉप है, नीचे का पार्ट थोड़ा आपको मतलब हैंडल करना पड़ेगा, पर ये ऊपर ना ये ऐसा वाला ये कमर से ऊपर, हिप से ऊपर ना इतना अच्छा आपको वार्म रखेगा ना. ये यू कैन सी दैट अंदर से भी इतना अच्छा वाला फर वाला मटेरियल दिया हुआ है. बाहर से इट्स अ फॉक्स लेदर एंड इट हैज दिस पॉकेट एज वेल विच इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. एंड देन आई एम इन साइज स्मॉल एंड इट फिट्स मी so well guys, and I love the color combination black, beige and brown. Absolutely love it. And then ऐसा वाला आपको ऐसा वाला डिजाइन, ऐसा वाला ये to make you warm in your hair. So इसके लिए आपको ऐसा बेल्ट वाला डिजाइन भी दिया हुआ है. इसके आपको इसके साथ एक बेल्ट भी मिलेगा जो मैंने निकाल कर रख दिया है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा वाला प्रॉपर वाला नहीं पहनना था ना, तो मैंने उसको निकाल कर रख दिया है. So yes guys, this is the one, and I know that many of you already have this one, but still I wanted to show it because it's really good. Okay, so yeah, this is the another item, and इसका price थोड़ा expensive है, but it is worth it. Okay, it's worth it because it cost me 3,320 rupees, and I think in 3,320 rupees it is a steal deal, क्योंकि ये आपको एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, आपको ये lifetime चलेगा if you keep it properly. Okay, so yeah, this is the another item that you need to have in your wardrobe this winter. Okay, so yeah, this is the another item guys. Okay, so now moving towards our another item that you need to have in your wardrobe is this puffer coat right here guys. La 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 tra. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? So cute guys, so cute. Like ये ना मेरा go to हो गया है, इतना ज़्यादा मैं ये पहन रही हूँ ना, because it's black and it goes with everything. इतना ज़्यादा आपको वो मतलब ना you can like आप ये खोल कर रख भी सकते हो and then just Like, just look at it. It's so comfortable, it is black in color, and other colors are also available, and I'm in size small. It is a polyester material, and it has this what I have ticket as well. Anyway, it has this pocket as well, and then it has both button closer and chain closer, which is a good part. And yeah, I'm in size small, as I already told you, and absolutely love it. It fits me so well. Like, absolutely love it, guys, love it. So yeah, this is another one. And then ऐसा वाला भी है, देखो ऐसा वाला, इसका perfect, highly recommended. It's stretchable नहीं है, but it's perfect, guys, perfect. If you're looking for winter jacket, go for it, because it just cost me 1832 rupees, and I think in 1832 it is a steal deal, guys, steal deal. Highly recommended. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. It is very cute, and then I can't wait to wear this one. Like, so the item that I'm talking about is this cute floppy hat right here. Just look at it, guys. Oh my god, how cute is this one? Oh my god, अंदर से इसका material ऐसा है पर, but it will make you warm. Okay, it will keep you warm like this. Oh, it looks so funny like this, but I've wore this one, no, because of that. And but oh my god, it feels so good. The material is so good, guys. I love this fluffy hat, and it is a polyester material. इसका पूरा fur मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा ना, guys. Ta-da! It is a free size, and absolutely love it, guys. Absolutely love it. मुझे ना छंगू जाने का बहुत मन कर रहा है, तो I'm planning to wear this there, but पता नहीं कब जाऊंगी, उसी टाइम में पहनूंगी. But I absolutely love it, guys. I think other colors are also available. You can obviously go and check it out. Okay, love it. And for this, it cost me 390 rupees, and I think 390 में it's a good deal. अभी चलते हैं थोड़ा not so winter collection में. So the next item that I have with me is this Fox, this leather A-line skirt, guys. ये skirt ना बहुत अच्छा है. You can see that you can wear this in winter for sure, like leggings वगैरह पहनकर. And it has this zip closer to it, and it's in brown color. Love the color, love the shape. थोड़ा सा मैंने ऐसा ही करके रख दिया था, तो ऐसा crease आ गया है. You can see that. And this is the one that I have with me, and I'm in size 28 small for your information. And then इसका length भी इतना लंबा नहीं है, नी से नीचे है, but उतना ज़्यादा नीचे भी नहीं है. Okay, so yeah, this is another one. I think it's available in black color as well. So if you love leather skirts, then I think you can go for this one. And it is non-stretchable, and then it is a polyester material. Okay, and for this it cost me 990 rupees, and I think in 990 it is a steal deal. Okay, guys, so another cute but not so winter outfit that I have with me is this cute top right here, guys. It's a shirt, and I love this shirt, so I just got this one. It's from, you know, Savannah again. You can see that. So cute. It's so cute. This shirt is so cute. You can see that. And yeah, this is the one that I have with me, and I absolutely love it. And then it has this bow to it. Just look at it. ये वाला bow है ना इसका इधर है. So I just absolutely love it, guys. Love it. You can see that. Wow, so cute. You can see that, right? ऐसा वाला cute वाला top है, and I'm in size small, and it has this puffy sleeves going on, and it is a polyester material, and it is not stretchable. ये stretchable वाला नहीं है. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me. And then इसे पीछे से आपको ऐसा वाला belt मिल जाएगा, like ये tie करने के लिए, ऐसा वाला tie करने के लिए, which is a good part. And then yes, guys, this is the one that I have with me, and for this one it cost me 790 rupees, and I think in 790 it is a great deal. Okay, so yeah, this is the last item that I have with me in this haul. So yes, guys, please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.